Not sure if your business should invest in a CPaaS or a CCaaS solution? Sounds like this video is for you because we're talking CPaaS and CCaaS, what they are, how they compare, and we've added a laugh track to make the whole thing more enjoyable. You're welcome. So first up, what is CPaaS? CPaaS stands for Communications Platform as a Service. Any cloud-based platform that allows developers at businesses to add real-time communication features to their applications is considered CPaaS. How does that work? CPaaS providers offer application programming interfaces, or APIs, code snippets, and applications to help developers add features and channels to their business ecosystem. I feel like all of my developers are like this right now. And everyone else is like,
I don't know what the that
was. Yeah, most of us don't, which means maybe we don't need CPaaS, maybe we need CCaaS. CCaaS stands for Contact Center as a Service. It's the turnkey, plug-and-play, ready-to-go subscription-based software that connects all customer contact channels in one place. It's the next step up from call center software and allows a business to communicate with customers via phone, SMS, live chat, and more, all from one platform. Hi, just thought I'd let you know that Nextiva has a CCaaS platform with all the awesomeness I just mentioned, plus tools that allow businesses to gain valuable insights, optimize customer service, and more, all in one ready and easy-to-use platform. For more info on that, find the link in our description. But just in case you're still not sure which is right for your business, let's compare. That wasn't a joke. First, who are the targeted users for each? Businesses with developers looking to customize and integrate communication features into their existing applications or to create new applications with these features are targeted users for CPaaS. For example, a rideshare company could play around with CPaaS to improve or update its app, making driver and rider communications better. Like, they could add the ability to edit messages, which means I could stop confusing drivers with "I'm a corn ear" when I'm waiting for them at the corner. And then sending "I'm a corner" and "I'm right the corner" before I get it right. Businesses that don't need extensive customization like that and are only looking for a unified platform to manage customer interactions across multiple communication channels, those are the targeted users for CCaaS. For example, a medium-sized bank looking for a ready-made platform to offer support across phone, live chat, social media, and more. You know, giving them extra ways to do this when I asked them about a loan for my own personal jet. Now, let's compare integration options for the two. For CPaaS, integrations with existing systems will require one of these. That's a very happy-looking developer, because it generally requires more technical expertise as it's more development-focused. CCaaS, on the other hand, only requires one of these, which is another very happy-looking human with a computer, but not a developer. It's just Maria, who chose CCaaS because it offers easier integration with existing customer relationship management systems, or CRMs. Lastly, let's talk security. Because CPaaS allows businesses to customize their systems, they're responsible for any vulnerabilities that arise during those customizations. CCaaS, on the other hand, often includes built-in security features, protecting a business from potential cyber threats and data breaches. Just another reason Maria looks so happy. Hopefully you now have a better idea of what CPaaS and CCaaS are, how they stack up when it comes to targeted users, integrations, and security, and maybe even have a better idea which is right for your business. Have another business communications question? Ask in the comments. And as always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog powered by Amazing Service. Until next time. This is CPaaS. This is CCaaS, and this is a CPaaS.